So here we go, friends. As you can see my screen, I have opened the official website of React.js. You can also visit this website. This is reactjs.org or org. Okay, so let's see the official definition of React.js. So here it's written React.js is a JavaScript library for building user interfaces. Okay, so let me tell you what does it mean exactly. जब हम बात कर रहे हैं React.js की, so first of all, you know it's a JavaScript library. React.js is not a framework but a library. It means you can use React.js with some other frameworks. Like if you are using Angular, Angular is a framework. You can use React.js with Angular also. Now, you can use React.js to build UI, user interface. Like you can use React to build button, menu, header, footer, your content, anything. Okay. Now, why we use React.js? Because it just makes everything really fast. I'll show you one example. As you can see on my screen, I have opened YouTube. Now, do one thing, open YouTube, and on the left hand side, you can see this navigator or this menu option, left nav. And on the top, this is your header. Now, I'm at home page. Let's do something. I'm going to click here on explore. Done. Now shorts, subscription, again home. Can you notice one thing? This thing, जितनी बार भी आप किसी भी टैब पे क्लिक करते हो आपका पेज रिफ्रेश नहीं हो रहा. आपका कंटेंट, ये जो मेन कंटेंट है, दिस इज चेंजिंग बट योर पेज इज नॉट गेटिंग रिफ्रेश्ड एवरी टाइम. इट मीन्स योर पेज इज नॉट गेटिंग लोडेड एवरी टाइम. सी, you can try it by yourself also. Coming back to the official website of React.js, here also आप यहाँ पे भी जितनी बार नेविगेट करोगे your page is not reloading, right? So what exactly is happening here? हमने क्या किया रिएक्ट जेएस की हेल्प से, हमने अपने पेज को डिफरेंट कंपोनेंट में डिवाइड कर दिया. फॉर एग्जांपल दिस हेडर, दिस इज सेम, राइट? मैं एक्सप्लोर में जाऊँ, सब्सक्रिप्शन में जाऊँ, हेडर सेम है. सिमिलरली माय नेफ्ट नेविगेशन, दिस ऑल्सो रिमेन्स सेम. इट इज़ नॉट चेंजिंग. हमने क्या किया रिएक्ट जेएस की हेल्प से, हमने दो कंपोनेंट बनाए. वन इज हेडर एंड वन इज लेफ्ट नैव, जिसको हमने फिक्स कर दिया. इट इज़ नॉट चेंजिंग. Every time you will navigate, your content will change. So ये सॉरी, सो हमने ये किया कैसे? React has this feature called virtual DOM. Okay, we will talk about virtual DOM later. First, let me just tell you key difference between basic HTML JavaScript website and React.js. As you can see, the first difference, the page is not getting reloaded or refreshed every time you explore some other options, right? Okay, and this what makes your website really faster. Now on the other hand, this is Wikipedia. On left hand side you have these options. Let's click on any one of these. Main page, can you see this? Your page is getting refreshed. आप जितनी बार कहीं पे भी क्लिक करोगे आपका पेज पूरा का पूरा पेज रिफ्रेश हो रहा है, और इससे क्या होता है, हमारे सर्वर पे ज़्यादा लोड पड़ता है और ज़्यादा टाइम लगता है हमें डेटा रिटर्न होने में. Okay, I was talking about DOM, React DOM. Before that, let's understand what is the meaning of DOM. So it's document object model. Just go to any website and do a right click, and then the last option will be inspect. Okay, you can see this. DOM means it will just create any HTML tag into the form of tree. For example, here I have body is root, and under body you can see this div. Under div you can have multiple divs and paragraph and text input. There can be so many things. So it's just going to create a tree structure for HTML elements. It's called a DOM. This is my paint and I have something ready for you. Suppose this is my actual DOM. In actual DOM, you can just imagine this is my body tag. Under body, I have this div. I can have this paragraph, text input, anything you can imagine. Then here comes React DOM, or it's also known as virtual DOM. And this is the exact copy of your actual DOM. Now here the third one is data manipulation. For example, you have to do some changes in the data. Now let's see. This is my node. For example, this is my p tag or the paragraph tag. I did some changes here in the paragraph tag. Now, what React is going to do, React is going to match these two nodes, and it's going to check whether these are same or not. You did some changes here in this node, so obviously these two are not same. So what React is going to do, React is going to update the actual DOM, this one. That's it. Now these are same. And as React DOM or the virtual DOM is the copy of actual DOM, so it's also going to be red. In short, what exactly is happening in your basic HTML JavaScript website, whenever you are making any changes in any of the node, it doesn't matter. It's going to update all the nodes. That's why it takes time. That's why your page reloads every time. But here in React.js, we are just updating the node in which you made the change. In this example, it was a p tag. That's it. So this is one special feature of React.